Hi, can we talk about something for a second? I want you to realize a key difference in life. I promise this will help you out for the rest of your life. Just pay attention. We have been confusing boredom with peace. Whenever you feel bored with anything in life, just bored, you're just sitting there, you don't know what to do, you feel bored. A lot of us pick up our phones and we just keep scrolling, right? We keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and finding a video and laughing and then scrolling some more. Because we think that boredom is a bad thing. But it's not a bad thing. And actually, when you keep scrolling and trying to fill yourself with constant things, you're actually doing the opposite of what the boredom is trying to tell you. Boredom is there as a withdrawal. Your brain, your soul has had too much stimulation that it needs to just not think. It needs to just not do anything. And that's what boredom comes in. It tells you that nothing feels fun right now. Because if it did, then you would go do it. Think about it. When you're hungry, your body tells you you're hungry by making your stomach growl and making you feel like, oh, I need food, my stomach hurts. Same thing when you're thirsty. Oh, my lips are dry. I feel like I need some water. You don't question it. You don't do the opposite. Oh, I'm thirsty, I'm hungry. Let me do the opposite I'm going to force myself not to eat and not to drink. No, you just eat and you drink. It's the same thing with boredom, except we do the opposite. We feel bored, which is our body's way of saying that we need to rest and not think. And we give it more of what it doesn't want. And we burn ourselves out. You have to embrace boredom. When you feel bored next time, minor boredom or bored at life, it's not a sign to go figure out something new to spark that addiction to doing things. No. It's not that. It's a call and it's a signal for you to instead do nothing, to jump in to that boredom and do nothing, to stare at the wall, to fall asleep and take a nap, to do nothing. Stop running from boredom. It's just your body's way of saying, I need a break right now. You'll feel that spark again. But if you keep scrolling, when you feel bored, you're not giving your body what it actually needs. And it needs a break, it needs to rest, it needs to not think. Go take a shower, go take a nap, go lay on your bed and look at your wall. The boredom will go away and you'll figure out what to do after that next. So subscribe and like the video if you'd be so kind, and comment down below, what do you usually do when you get bored? Do you do the opposite of what your body is trying to tell you? And click this video right here to see what the universe is trying to tell you next. And catch you when we align once again. Thank you for watching.